Alright, what's up guys? It's Silverado Zach here. Welcome back to Truck Brothers, and today we're going to actually be working on the wife's car. I'm going to jump right into it, and I'm not going to BS and talk about it. Yesterday, she called me and notified me that the car wouldn't do anything. She said it'd turn on, the gauges and stuff would come on, it'd light up, but the car would not start, turn over, whatever. Rode all the way out there, went and checked it, ended up jumping it off of my little booster pack, and tested the battery when I got home. Found out battery's no good. So I picked up a new AC Delco battery. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Give me 1 second, we'll get on out there. Alright, this is pretty self-explanatory. You gotta take this mounting bracket off, unbolt these two terminals, and the battery comes right out. So let's go ahead and get started on it. First, you're gonna need what appears to be a 10mm for both these on the bracket. We're gonna do some hand cranking over here. We ain't gonna use no power tools. I don't feel like getting the impact out for this. Say hey, Blaze.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. I don't even know why I'm taking this side loose. You just pull a hanger down. You ain't really got to take this loose. But you can if you like. Just turn that joker out the way. Alright, can you see it really good? I want to make sure they're seeing it. Like I said, we're just going to take these terminals loose. 1 and 2. Oh, the positive one was on there good. Wow, it hurt my glove. Yeah, this battery looks like it's the original battery.
Is that how you have it fitted by ripping it?
356 amps, cold cranked amps is what originally this battery takes for this car. Dang, that thing is heavy.
It's a battery.
For a little battery. And then you got the new professional grade AC Delco with 640 cold cranking amps. They're gonna get that good start. Alright, let's go ahead and well, I'm gonna put the positive on first. It's gonna be arcing shit everywhere. And did I just say a cuss word?
I don't think so.
I think I just did.
What'd you say?
Arcing crap everywhere, but with the S word. We gotta break ourselves with that, you know?
I haven't said one, so be proud.
No. I'm not proud of myself because I just said one. Alright.
What is gloves on though?
Battery. I don't feel like getting battery acid on my hands. Some of us like to actually take good care of ourselves, sir.
Oh.
If you got good gloves, why not use them? Does that make any sense?
My skin's my glove.
I don't remember that.
Huh?
So I don't remember that. Mr. Skins My Gloves. That'll do. Put our little cover back on. Alright, Blaze, if you don't mind grabbing the camera. Alright, there you have it. The battery's in. Let's see if she's going to start.
Great, you broke it.
Gotta relearn the throttle position. It's always the first start and then the second one fires right up. You hear how quick that thing turned on?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that old battery is like...
Well, it was almost dead, so.
That's that Delco with that 640 cold cranking amps, a professional battery.
You trying to give a shout out to AC Delco?
No, AC Delco don't pay for this. Why don't I shout out to them?
Oh, that's rude.
They give me my money back for the battery, I'll give them a shout out all day long. Alright, bring it back. Alright, well that's pretty much how it's done. That's how you install a battery in a 2015 Toyota Corolla. Please like, share, subscribe, and as always, have a wonderful day.